Alright guys, welcome guys to a new YouTube video. Today we are on the way to the gym. We are on the way to hit back. Today is back day and it's gonna be a nice workout. We did last night, we did workout chest. It was crazy chest day. One of the best or the best chest workout I've ever had in a while, or actually on my life probably. So yeah, now we're on the way to the gym. It's 8 o'clock. It's kind of late. I was being lazy on the phone, wasted a lot of time. I actually had the opportunity to go to the gym at 7 o'clock and be done by now, or almost done by now, but I wasted that hour. Actually, my head kind of hurt because I was on the phone for a lot. Even at work, I was on the phone for a long time because there was nothing. Well, there was stuff to do, but it was very slow. So it was like kind of, you know, one of those days where you go to the office just to you know, get your hours. And, you know, even with my boss, I was like slow. Then I was by myself in the office. It was kind of crazy slow, but it is what it is. I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, my money, that's what I needed, you know. We into the point where we need work. I'm at the point where I'm actually gonna get another job just to be able to pay some stuff, just to be able to save some money. I used to have 3 jobs. I used to have like events, weddings and stuff that I used to set up, and you know, used to do gardening, jar work and stuff like that. And now I realized that I need more money. I need more money than just one job, and I'm actually gonna go ahead. What the fuck is that Civic doing? It's always someone. I'm actually gonna get out of that job. I want to request my increase on my current job where I work 40 hours. And of course, you know, I'm pretty sure I will be getting this increase. Pretty sure I will be making way more money on 2026, and it's gonna be pretty good for me before I graduate. But I gotta add something else. So I gotta add some type of income that makes me $1,000 to $1,500 a month extra on top of my current job, which, you know, helps me with everything. But I do have a lot of investments. I do have a lot of bills. I do have a lot of debt. Not crazy debt, but like I have a lot of debt. You know, so I'm actually trying to save money to actually apply for a house. So it's something that I have in my head. It's something that I actually thought about a couple years ago, and now I'm thinking more. So yeah, I'm definitely checking that out, just because of, you know, sometimes I'm like, dang, you know, I don't want to be in an apartment. I don't want to be here. You know, there's no privacy, or not just the privacy thing, but, you know, just so much noise sometimes. It's just, you know, having a roommate is just hard. So of course I'm not getting a house just to be by myself. Of course, one of the things that I want to do is having tenants, having people that rent for me. So that's a little bit different, because that makes me the owner of the house, which allows me to set rules. So that's kind of different than having someone in a lease contract with 2 people that live together in the same apartment with equal rights. So, you know, I don't know if you can understand that, but yeah, I mean, so what I'm trying to do is actually by 22 or 23, you know, being a little bit more realistic, by 23 I might be able to do it. I might be able to save some money, you know, for me to be able to buy the house that I want. I actually want a $250,000 to $300,000 house. That's the range that I'm trying to look for, and the reason is because I got more space. I want a little bit more of, you know, outside space. I want bigger rooms. I want to be able to build and put some stuff, upgrade the house. I'm a person that upgrade things, you know. On my car, I haven't upgraded anything because I don't really see the point to it. But in a house, you know, I would love to put a little gym for myself. I would love to put, you know, have a little gardening for myself. I would love to have a sauna. I would love to have some ice bath, you know, in it and outside. You know, I would love to have some type of games outside too, some type of plates outside. But then I wanna have my racing simulator. I wanna have a racing simulator with 3 monitors, with, you know, a crazy amount of money there. And then I have my PC gamer with all my other monitors for work, and my place to read, my place to have this, you know, my bed, and all the things that I want to have to be able to, you know, not just work, but have some fun in my life. So, you know, I'm a technology person. I spend a lot of thousands of dollars on technology. I'm 21, and currently I have probably in my currently set up, I probably have $20,000 to $25,000 in total. I have 2 phones, I have 2 computers, I have a PC gamer, I have a MacBook Pro, and M3 Pro with a 14-inch. So basically, I do have a lot of technology. I have 3 monitors. They're not pros, they're not really expensive. There's one that is $240, another one that's like $200, and then another one's like $100. And then, you know, I have PS5 controller, and I have nice stable, I have a nice chair, I have nice keyboard, mouse, you know, lights, a lot of lighting, a lot of stuff that provides for me to be able to be comfortable. You know, so, and in the future I will be putting my racing simulator. I want to build a big racing simulator on my own house, and of course I want to have nice cars too. I want to start of course with 1 car. I will probably want an M3 competition, something like that, M4 competition, Porsche, something like that, that allows me to push the car to have fun, you know. And of course I want a truck. I love trucks. I love F-150s. I love Dodge Rams. I just love those trucks. I just love them. So I'm a truck and I'm a race car guy. You know, I need to have a truck and I need to have a race car. I need to have a Porsche, some type of M3, some type of Mercedes AMG, you know, something, you know, like that, AMG GT, you know, something crazy. And a truck. You know, I'm a truck guy, so I have to have a truck. More when you have a house, I think a truck becomes something that you really want to have, just in case you have to, you know, carry something very big, you know, something heavy, you know, help yourself with things, trash, whatever you buy, you know, big fridge or whatever you buy, you know, you just put it in your truck. You just forget about, you know, oh, do I have enough space for this, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm actually planning on it, trying to buy the house with 23 or by 22 by myself, with no co-signer, nothing, no wife. Not thinking of getting married right now. I do have my girlfriend though, but I don't have the plans on getting married right now, which it makes it a little bit complicated to buy the house by yourself. Now my credit score is amazing, and it's about to get amazing, and the reason is because I'm about to get some loans done. I'm about to make a lot of payments. I'm about to actually put a lot of thousands into, you know, my credit cards, into my debt, into a couple of investments that I have. What the fuck is this? Like, what the fuck is this? Like, come on, man. I gotta work out, bro. Like, what the fuck is this? Come on now. You kidding me? No way. You see, those type of trucks, I love them. See, I think I'm gonna park right here. See? I mean, I know for a fact that this business is not open now, so yeah, trying to buy the house by 23, and then, you know, from there, get some tenants, get some people that, you know, not pay for my mortgage, or at least close to it, you know, get them in a nice position, providing stuff for them so they actually become my clients. They pay for my room. So I want to have a 3 or 4 beds house where I can provide for a lot of people, a lot of students, or, you know, alumni, you know, people that graduates You know, I can put it on a room and in a bathroom, and they can pay me, oh, there's $800, $1,000, or $1,200. You know, I'm providing a room, I'm providing my bathroom, and you can use the kitchen, you can use it outside too, you know, stuff like that, where I can make money from it, and I can just benefit myself, pay the house as soon as I can, and then of course go into another house and go for more properties and doing the same over and over again, so I can make money and provide and create my wealth over time. So I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna see what the fuck is going on at the gym. It's 8 o'clock, and I have never seen so many cars together in this gym. So we'll see what's going on. See you guys. Alright guys, we are done with the workout. I don't know why I didn't take highway, but I mean, it's right there, and I know, but anyways. Oh, it's very late, to be honest. I kind of work out slow, but I did a lot of exercises. I didn't even record. I have been working out and trying to not record myself. I feel like I get more serious when I don't record. There's always a cop. Look like it. Nah. I think I'm gonna eat some salad and tuna. I might eat that, to be honest with you guys. Not feeling like eating a lot of food, but feeling like eating something. But at the same time, I'm kind of full because I snack a lot of fruits, have a lot of fruits on my house, and it's like, you know, it's like my stomach feels just messed up because of it. I feel like I ate too much grapes and strawberries in a short period of time. I think it's not that I gotta stop, it's just I gotta eat slower. I've always wondered if this is like a it's green now. I'm stupid. I forgot that it was gonna be fast. I just did all this for nothing, basically. Going this way. Tuesday. This is full of people. Come on, guys. Stop wasting your time and money in there. Having fun. Goodness gracious. Tuesday, guys. Tuesday. Not even. Not even Thursday or anything like that. There was a cop right there with someone with a little bike in there. I don't know what's going on in there. you doing, bro? Let me make sure I'm recording. Tomorrow I had two meetings and one interview, but actually two got canceled and the interview is going. So hopefully I can get this part-time job, which is basically valet parking. Basically is gonna be for events, and I'm gonna be looking and driving nice cars, something that I'm gonna like, and money that I need. To be honest, to keep paying bills and to be able to save money, get my credit better, and see for my graduation I have a little bit more money saved to see if I can do some stuff to be able to make more money. So I'm gonna try to see. I'm in the industry of car rental. I work for a car rental company, which is Avis and Budget. I am looking forward to be a manager in the future, but I do need more money to be able to keep doing that. Now, of course, I will be getting some licenses and some certifications and some things before my graduation, so I can make more money. I want to sell loans. I want to be selling loans for people that are looking for houses, and basically do content of it and try to make more content of financial education and stuff like that. I can get clients, so I can get people coming to me, and of course making more money to be able to get a house and then get properties. Then of course in the future I want to have some cars, I want to have some toys, you know, like Porsche, I want to have a Ferrari, I want to have you know, things are not that far away from me. I actually believe that is coming in less than 10 years of my life. I think my house, in the name of Jesus, I think I will be getting a home within the 2 years. Within 2 years I will be getting around $250,000 to $350,000 house, putting around $30,000 to $50,000 down payment, and getting my credit really good to 800 or something like that, so I can apply for the home, get a really good interest rate. Well, there's no good interest rate, but you know, lower than the average. So maybe I'll see how it goes. Then, you know, on the future I want to get more properties, and I want to get the toys, racing simulator, you know, Porsche, things like that, to just enjoy life basically. Then trips everywhere and do things. You know, I'm 21 years old. There's a lot more coming in, so we'll see how it goes. I gotta make more money, so tomorrow at 2:30 I got that meeting interview, see how it goes. Hopefully I can take that. Hopefully I can make 3 times a week some money from there, and make plus $1,000 a month to get into, you know, in a better position. I'll see you guys in the next video.